Hello guys, so in today's video I will merge my two Camponotus and colonies. This video will be interesting, so do watch this video till the end, and also be sure to check that if you are subscribed to my channel or not, because about 70% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. And I really do hope that you will enjoy this video, so let's begin. So this is the first Camponotus ant colony, and let's name it colony A. And we have seen this colony growing from just one single queen ant with a few bunch of eggs. And now they have a population of 30 workers or so. I have recently given them some money, so it will be easy for us to differentiate between the workers from both colonies. You can notice that their abdomens are full. This is colony B, housed in 60 ml test tube. They have a population of 10 workers roughly and consist of 2 queens. This colony have their nanny eggs around a week ago, and they are going well. And you can see that their abdomens are not full, so it will be very easy for us to identify a worker from colony A or B. So here we have both the colonies, and I am just about to connect them. Let's hope that they don't ended up killing each other, but form a super colony together. I am just about to connect them. Immediately after I connected these test tubes, some workers from colony A began to explore. But they don't venture far out in colony B. After some time, a worker from colony B starts venturing out, and she ventures into colony A territory. Let's see what happens. The workers from colony A are attracted by her pheromones, and here the clash begins. It's not look good, but it's still. Let's see what happens. This worker got killed. Then a worker from colony A ventures into the territories of colony B, but this time the workers of colony B doesn't deal this worker aggressively. Either they accepted this worker. This is kind of strange. This gives me good feelings. And I leave them overnight as it is. Next day, I saw this. A one big colony consists of 3 queens. Well, this experiment goes out pretty well. The both colony merged successfully. I gave them some honey and also a cricket to celebrate their unification. Although some workers may have died, but anyways, it's good for both the colonies. Thanks for watching. See you next time. There is something strange in my main Camponotus colony. Have you noticed? Look closely. Look at this soldier. And also look at this soldier back. We have a mite problem.